Camping, getting out of your comfort zone. It was not that long ago that camping was the vacation of choice among families. Packing up the tent, the cooking utensils and the car full of food and heading off to a natural spot to enjoy lots of fresh air, non-electronic games and sometimes a spot of fishing. If this is not a treat you have yet enjoyed, read on for some great ideas for your next camping trip. If you have a toddler, pack a blanket. You can lay it out on the ground and use it as a makeshift play area. Bring cars, dolls, or whatever items your child is into. They can play without getting too dirty and you can instruct them that they need to keep their toys on the blanket for safekeeping. This will help to keep things from getting too spread out. You need to maintain your cleanliness while camping. Good hygiene is difficult when you are camping sometimes, but you can keep yourself clean. A bottle of hand sanitizer is excellent to have so you can clean hands before eating. You can also use rubbing alcohol on areas of your body that are not sensitive. A mild biodegradable soap and a sponge can be used to take mini baths when water resources are low. Before you leave on your trip, use your backyard to help you work out the kinks in your camping equipment. Put up your tent to make sure you know, or remember, how to put it up. This will also allow you to see if anything needs to be patched up. It will make it that much easier for you when you get to the campsite. So there you have it. A camping trip can be as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. Once you have purchased or borrowed the minimum camping basics, the country is your oyster and you are only limited by the amount of time you have and how far you can travel. Enjoy! Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.